Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all posts on Facebook. So first open your Facebook app and then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner and then tap on the profile picture. And then once you open your profile page, you can now tap the three dots at the right side of your screen beside the edit profile button. And then you can see right here the activity log. So you just tap this option, activity log, and you can see here all the options. But to delete your post on Facebook, you just tap these your posts right here. So you can have an option to delete the post that you want. So for example, I want to tap these photos and videos. And then right over here, if you want to delete all posts, you need to check these boxes. You can check this all box right here at the top, or you can check one by one that you want to delete a post. And then tap on the recycle bin button at the top. So if you choose these two and tap this one, leave now, your selections will not be saved if you leave now. So tap on continue. And you can head over to your recycle bin. So if you permanently delete this one, so tap this all button and tap these three dots at the bottom right corner and tap this delete option. So right over here it says items that you delete can't be restored. So finally, you can now delete all posts on Facebook. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.